uh, when I exit from the airport in Urgench, because they have warm greetings with those. Yeah, I forgot the name of that culture, but yeah, it was so funny. And also I got the experience, because some of the Mr. Abdullah, where's Mr. Abdullah? Mr. Abdullah interviewing me, and Mr. Rahimov trying to help me to understand about what he say. And that was so fun with Japanese friends. I met Tanaka-san, Makishi-san, Yuika-san, Haruka-san, Rino-san, and who else? Yeah. Honjo-san. That's the second day. And I also thank you for Kurbon Jun for bringing Indonesian flag when in opening ceremony. And yeah, and third day we go to Ichan Kala, and that was the first time I talked to Dilnoza and also Aim. They were also generous and also very funny, and I think that I matched them. I matched their power. Yeah, and also I have experience to present about a green what? Carbon offsetting. Yeah. That was the first time of our group work with Atomrod. Yeah. Yeah, the best students in Mamun University. Okay. And yeah, next slide please. This is some of the photos that I took when I go to Ichankla, and this is beautiful. Okay, next slide again. And this is fourth and fifth day in Uzbekistan. The fourth day in Uzbekistan, I was also experienced the first time I can join Jamaah prayer in outside of my country. And also I was a little bit shocked because we have different kind of mazhab. So it's kind of different from Indonesia. We directly go to the 2 raka'ah pray, but in Uzbekistan we have to do 4 sunnah raka'ah, 2 raka'ah for Jamaah, and then 4 raka'ah again for sunnah. And that was very interesting for me, because we have different kind of mazhab, and I know that because I can go to Uzbekistan. And we also field trip to the flower growing greenhouse, and that experience also broadened my mind about the greenhouse in Urgench. In Uzbekistan. And also we have experience of sustainable agriculture and climate change with Dr. Ina Rudenko. And in the evening we experience national games like tug of war, right? For the English, and also pottery. But yeah, that was one of my best masterpiece of doing paint on the surface of pottery. And also we on the 5th day we cook some national dishes like Shuvit Oshi, Usok Barak, Tuksum Barak. Tuhum Barak, Gunma. And my group work, we got Usok Barak, Tuhum Barak. Tuhum Barak, right? Yeah. And also, it was so fun when I can practice Lasgi dance. And fashion show. And yeah, I also didn't have any kind of fashion until Azizullah gave me one of their clothes. And I thank you for Azizullah because that was amazing clothes. Yeah. Next slide. And on the 6th and 7th day in Uzbekistan, we visit Nurulaboy place. And that was the first time when I can met someone like other friends like Karos, Odina, and etc. Delnura and blah blah blah. We also visit Ulul Hovli, historical complex of Turkmenistan culture and also Uzbekistan cultures, combinations of it. It was very interesting for me because Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and also any other places in the Central Asia share something like similar culture. And oh yeah, on the Monday or Sunday, yeah, live TV, Sunday. Yeah, and also I'm so grateful that I can invited to the TV show with amazing students Otamurot and Anahon and also Soichiro Sugiura. That was my first time experience in my life to get onto TV show. Yeah. And on the 5th day, we have Green Economy and Productions module again with Dr. Ergas Ibadullah. And I also wanna say thank you so much for Mr. Ergas Ibadullah because of the coordinations and also all of the informations that he can give to me every time, anywhere, whenever, yeah. And the 7th day, we also do the field trip to Carpet Factory, and that was also interesting for me because I didn't know that carpet also can be made of snake skin and also plastic. Because some of the carpet that I know is made by wool and fur and something like that. And yeah, we can also go to the paper recycling factory, and it's one of the biggest in Uzbekistan. And it was so insightful for me because I didn't know that things exist in Uzbekistan. I had a fun night also with bonfire, and that night when dinner I also met this friend Sayohat. I want to thank you also because Sayohat already tagged me on Instagram, but I didn't know it was already it was also Mamun University Summer School members. And yeah, it was make me kind of shocked because she know me but I do not know her, and vice versa. And then next slide. This day, we also have a module of sustainable business with Dr. Sanat Chubanov. And we also have a field trip to Kharizm Region Himayat Investment Department. And when I go to the investment department, the near area, there is a something like a monument for Jalaluddin Manguberde. Yeah. That was also interesting for me because I didn't know that that monument can also exist because it's too big, giant. And also I had a fun night with fingerprint wishes on that surface of cloth. And yeah, maybe that's all for my presentations, and thank you.
You.